want to give a very special thanks to Mattel for sending one of these dolls to us for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, and fabsome besties? It's new doll day. And who do we have here? Yeah! From the Barbie Signature Tribute Collection, here is the Laverne Cox Barbie doll. I bought this doll online from the Mattel Creations website, priced at $40. And then our awesome besties at Mattel sent me one. I guess we have one to play and one to display, which I am thankful for because after the Vera Wang Barbie, I realized I need two. Don't judge me, I'm a doll collector. It's important with all the messages that might tell you otherwise that you have it within yourself to say that I am smart, I am beautiful, I'm amazing, I'm enough. Laverne Cox, who recently celebrated a 50th birthday looking oh so flawless. And there's a card. We are proud to introduce Laverne Cox as the newest addition to the tribute collection. Award-winning actress, producer, writer, and advocate. Join Barbie in celebrating this trailblazer's 50th birthday by recognizing her achievements and the legacy she's created. Studying ballet at an early age in Alabama, Laverne went on to attend college in New York, where she earned her BFA in dance and discovered a passion for acting. During that time, Laverne began outwardly matching her gender expression with her identity, initially identifying as gender nonconforming and later affirming her identity as female. As the first transgender woman of color to have a leading role on a scripted TV show, Laverne Cox uses her voice to amplify the message of moving beyond societal expectations to live more authentically. This doll does come with a doll stand. It has a silver-colored base, a certificate of authenticity letting us know this is a Black Label doll. Her face sculpt is named Laverne Cox. She is on an articulated superhero body, which means we have some made-to-move joints like at the elbows and knee, but no ankle joint, upper thigh joint, rib cage articulation, or upper arm. But she does have wrist articulation, movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. She has painted nails, blonde and brown hair, the top is pulled back, and there's a crunchy curl on the side. Right out of the box, we do have a little bit of box hair, so I'll probably do a little rinse to get some of the product out and have it relax a little. Her eye makeup is smoky with a little touch of silver or pearl in the corner of the eye. The lips are very neutral with a little gold sheen. We have painted teeth. She wears a faux leather top with ribbon trim over a large dark red tulle gown. The doll is sewn in with a couple of stitches in the back. The top is removable, and you can see a one-shoulder tulle dress underneath. It velcros in the back. Take care with the velcro and the tulle. Don't want it to snag. And she wears a silver metallic jumpsuit underneath. It has clear straps, velcros in the back, a little iridescent shimmer, and built-in shoes. This is definitely a fun little outfit that would look great on a red carpet. So let's make one. I have some black foam board because I'm all out of white. I glued two pieces together to make a floor and a wall. This is a lot taller than our usual builds, so we can get some nice, long, full-body shots. Actually, let's make it a little wider. This is not going to be easy to store, but I'm sure we'll get a lot of use out of it. There is always a red carpet event going on in the doll world. This is 21 inches long, 18 inches tall. My base is 9 inches, however, I glued the back wall on 1 inch from the back edge and added a few supports. We could glue a step and repeat onto the back wall and then red fabric on the floor and be done. But I want to do something a little different. I want it to look like there are photographers in the background. So I dressed a few dolls in suits and took pictures of them holding a camera. To make a printable, I tried to make them so they could just line up and be a continuous picture, but I think we're off just a little. Oh yeah, right around there. Our printables aren't perfect, but they're free. Decide on where you want them to go and then glue them onto the wall, going all the way across to give the illusion of photographers. You barely even notice some of their faces are chopped in half. Let's take leftover foam board and draw stairs. Cut them out, glue strips of foam board going across, and fill in the gaps to make stairs. Cover them with red felt. I'm using felt with an adhesive backing. After covering the side, I'm gonna place some gold contact paper right in the corner of the wall, then glue in the stairs, then continue covering with the felt for the red carpet. We can totally leave it like this, but I want a tiny touch of green. So let's glue some moss onto the back wall, inspired by the Met Gala, completing our red carpet backdrop. Let's take down her hair, give her a light wash. I added a little bit of a copper color to her lips and a little lip liner. Let's add some larger earrings, and she is ready for the red carpet in the metallic jumpsuit. Let's add a layer and show off the tulle dress. Here's a dress that I made myself. It's out of stockings. We made this a while back in a holiday Barbie video. I think it's totally red carpet worthy. And with our new background, we can take some great shots. Like the actress, this doll is a trailblazer, being Mattel's first transgender doll, promoting diversity, inclusion, and representation. And I personally am proud to add this doll to my collection. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Barbie signature Laverne Cox doll and made this beautiful backdrop. Our printable is available to download for free on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, The Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!